Hey, what's up everyone? This is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. I have bought some solar power lights for my fence. I'm going to install all around my fence, and you can also install in patio and whatever you want. It comes with everything you need to finish your job. So I have all the lights put in the sun today for maybe like 1 hour, so all most likely be charged. You will get all the screws, anchors, double tape. If you have a metal, you need a double tape. If you have a cement, you need a plastic anchors. Other than in bird, you can just put screw like that. So as you can see, the solar charging and solar light sensor will be on the top. At the bottom I have a small little light, but at night it look really nice and bright. So what you have to do, I'm going to put on my fence. You can put anywhere you want. So I have already installed on my fence. You can see I have installed on every post. You can put like a far you want. You just put it like that. Is the L shape. You can put two screw on the top. You can also put on your step stairs or something. Like the next one, I have a metal, so I use the double tape here. So I used double tape on metal, and wood I just put screw already. So from the top, but the solar is going to charge and really like strong double tape that day. So I have installed this side already, and I have a other side some left. I showed you how to install quick. It's really easy. It's not hard. You just put like solar light like that, and you just put two screws from the top and just screwed in. That's pretty simple. If you have a metal, then you need to use double tape. But if you have a concrete, then you need to install those plastic anchors. In my case, I have a bird fence, so I just used screw straight in my fence. And now the last thing, there's like a tape inside. You just take the tape out and the light is ready to go. And solar, sunny day, it will charge as soon as it get dark. See dark from the top, the light will comes on. So now I have installed one. The same method, you can install all lights. I'm going to show you a little bit in the night time. I have a recorded video at night time. I'm not sure why my camera not capturing really like it's kind of foggy or whatever, but it look really nice at night. So hope you like my video. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in next video with a new topic.